Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Verify. Today in this video I will show you how you can make your Realme mobile phone black and white. So I will show you the setting where you can enable that black and white setting of your mobile phone. So first of all, here inside about phone you can see I'm using Realme mobile phone for making this video. So in this mobile phone, what you have to do, you have to simply click on this you have to go to this drop down button, click on this eye comfort option. Here you can see eye comfort option is here. Just long press on this option and you will enter one settings, and here you can see black and white is written here. Just click on this black and white, your mobile phone will get black and white. If you click on this color, your mobile phone will get all the colors back. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.